Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 crops you'd be foolish not to plant in July. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these crops will thrive in the summer heat and give you a bountiful harvest. From juicy tomatoes to flourishing zucchini, July offers a wealth of opportunity for the keen gardener. Join me as we explore the optimal conditions, care, and harvesting techniques for each of these July favorites. The tomato, a staple in gardens and kitchens around the world. Originating from South America, these plants relish the long, hot days of July. Tomatoes are remarkably adaptable, thriving in various soils and tolerating short periods of drought. With a little care, you can enjoy a harvest that will fill your salads, sauces, and sandwiches with the taste of summer. The humble cucumber thrives in the heat, its vines sprawling across the garden floor. Their rapid growth is a marvel, sprouting new fruits overnight, each one a crisp, refreshing addition to summer salads. Their cool, refreshing flavor is perfect for chilled soups, drinks, and pickles, preserving the taste of summer long after the days have grown short. Zucchini, with its vibrant green hue and delicate flavor, is another summer garden superstar. Their rapid growth and abundance of fruit make them a gardener's delight. From grilling to baking, the culinary possibilities with zucchini are endless, adding a touch of summer freshness to any meal. From the mild sweetness of the bell pepper to the fiery kick of the habanero peppers offer a spectrum of flavors. Thriving in the heat of July, their vibrant colors are a testament to the power of the summer sun. Plant a rainbow of colors in your garden and enjoy the fiery flavors these gems bring to your summer table. Few sights are more satisfying to a gardener than rows of bean plants, their pods plump with promise. Beans in all their varieties are a staple of the summer garden, offering a bounty of nutrition and flavor. Whether steamed, stir-fried, or added to stews, beans provide a satisfying crunch and a healthy dose of protein. The intoxicating aroma of basil is synonymous with summer. This beloved herb thrives in the warmth of July, its fragrance filling the air with every gentle breeze. Whether you're whipping up a classic pesto or adding a touch of freshness to a tomato salad, basil elevates summer dishes to new heights. Corn, the golden child of summer. Rows of towering stalks evoke a sense of nostalgia and abundance. Planting corn in July allows it to soak up the long, sunny days it needs to thrive. When those ears are ready for harvest, there's nothing like biting into the sweetness of a freshly picked cob. Often associated with Mediterranean cuisine, eggplant, with its glossy, deep purple skin, is a true heat seeker. This versatile vegetable thrives in the warmth of July, producing an abundance of fruit. From eggplant parmesan to baba ganoush, eggplant's mild flavor and meaty texture make it a culinary chameleon. Okra, with its distinctive ridged pods, is a true taste of the American South. This heat-loving vegetable thrives in the long, hot days of July. Whether fried, added to gumbos, or pickled, okra's unique flavor and versatility make it a culinary adventure. Watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydew, the very names evoke images of long summer days and refreshing sweetness. These juicy fruits crave the intense heat and long sunny days that July provides. When those fruits are ripe, their sweet, juicy flesh is a true taste of summer, a refreshing treat on a hot afternoon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Embrace the heat of July, prepare your garden beds, and get planting. With a little care, you'll reap a bountiful harvest.